Hi, my name is Hitesh and you are watching Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. And as I always say, below is my homepage where you can use my contact form to drop your feedbacks. Now we are in the information gathering or reconnaissance section and we are going to have a deep look on mssql. Now various time when you are going to investigate or pen test anything, you are going to scan every port and everything, and there are some important services which are running on those ports. Not 100% I am sure that these services are always going to be there, but there are some chances. Now in order to understand that mssql is really a critical service which are running most of the time on the servers, and if you find out that and find out a particular versions or any vulnerability in that, that means voila, you have got quite a good things out there. So searching and locating mssql installation inside an internal network can be achieved by using UDP footprinting. Now many times it happens that it always by default installs on port 1433, but sometimes people just randomize its TCP port. In order to find out what are those random ports which are being assigned, you can simply put a UDP query to port 1433 and it will provide us with information on the server, including the TCP port on which the server is listening. So really it's a good important point out here. And in order to find out, just first of all make sure it is not at all compulsory that always you get a success, and this is what this video is going to tell you. So don't get irritated about your upcoming failures, because that's going to happen in many of these videos. So that really actually creates a patience in you, so that whenever the next time you are going to see, because most of the video what it does actually, they gives you success and success. So let's find out in this video what we have got. So I'll start my Kali Linux and I have got my Metasploit table 2 up and running, and I don't know if it is on a Linux or Windows or whatever. I'm just a known pen tester for this time being. Also I've got Windows 2000 server up and running, and again I don't know if there is a Windows server or Linux server, whatever it is. So what I'm going to do, first of all I'll hit my very favorite command, that is search, and I will type mssql, and I really will get a very fast result, and too many too. So I'm not interested in these exploits right now. I'm only interested in the auxiliaries. So here are some auxiliaries like mssql login, mssql hash dumps, and mssql ping, and quite likewise. So let's explore more of them. So really I'm not interested in any of that, but really I have to first of all go through if there is any out here which is being up and running. So let us try some of them. So in order to simply use that, you can simply type use, and you can simply use one of them which is out here, and very famous one as well. So let me write that. So in order to use this particular exploit auxiliary, it's very simple. It's just a use auxiliary admin mssql underscore exec, that is execute, and let me hit it. Once I'm inside the module, I'll again use my show options command, and here I find quite a useful information that on the command prompt it's going to execute this particular thing, and also in the password there is nothing else out being mentioned. There is also a r host out here, so make sure this is not a r hosts, so you don't only have to give one IP address here. So let me give it set r host to the IP address 192.168.52. Let's say 155. Okay, so I'm not changing anything else right now here, and I'll just check it again, that is show options, and I'm not going to do anything right now here, and I'll just hit the exploit, or simply I can say I can hit run command here because I'm using auxiliary. So module is being completed, but nothing is being happened because everything got failed out here. You can see a minus sign out here that says it's got lots and lots of problem here. Simply right now I can conclude that I haven't been succeeded in this, because you can simply see a connection is being refused in it. So no need to worry about, because we are going to see a lots of things, but really it's important that you understand that always and always it's not going to be a success. So make sure you, but always it's a procedure of pen testing to try and hit each and everything and hit every dead end that is out there, because out of those one dead end there is going to be a loophole, there is going to be a blockage in which from which you can enter the website or network, and that's going to be our task. So make sure you also try other modules by simply hitting search command, that is search mssql. And for right now I would highly appreciate if you don't use these exploit modules right now, because there are the times in which we are going to use this. So make sure for the time being use all these auxiliary modules which are out there, like John the Ripper and everything is out there. So this was all about this video, and this video is especially to teach you that there are not always going to be success rate. Although I could have installed a exploitable version of mssql on my Windows server and then could have exploited it, but really it is not going to be the video task for this video. So I hope you got a bit patience out of this video, and in the next video we are going to explore much more about information gathering, and mssql really is a one must service to be checked out. So thank you so much for watching this video, and let's continue up in the next video.